Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss expansion. Next here we have the special products. The first one we have x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. So we know very well here x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab into the leftover here it is x plus c. Just I have written x plus c. Now if we simplify this x, we have to multiply with each and every term. X square into x, a plus b into x, next ab into x. Okay, when you multiply here first x square into x, it will be x cube plus a plus b into x it will be x square plus here we'll get ab into x plus next we need to multiply with the c. So x square into c we'll get here x square c plus here when you multiply we'll get a plus b into x into c plus a b into c. Okay, now further if we simplify here x cube plus when you take x square, here we have the coefficient of x square and here also the coefficient of x square. So just I can write here a plus b plus c into x square. I took x square common. Next here abx and here this term, if you look at this term, just I am going to simplify, just I will multiply c inside. So ac plus bc, the leftover here it is x. So if you compare this, the coefficient of x it is common in this. So we will get here when you take x common ab plus bc plus ca, here ac ca it is same into x plus the leftover here it is abc. Therefore the formula, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus a into b into c. So this is the formula. The second one we have a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to, here we have a plus b, right? So you will get the terms here a cube plus b cube. So the third identity a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So when you have a minus, just you have to take the a cube minus b cube. Now you have to remember when it comes plus here it will come minus, when it is minus here it will come plus, the remaining all the terms it will be equal. Next the fourth one a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab. So this is one of the identities. So this is a special products. We have totally 4 identities. Based on this we are going to solve the problems. Exercise 4e. Okay, the first one we need to simplify the question. They have given the first one x plus 6 into x plus 4 into x minus 2. Okay, we know very well the formula here. So when you have the identity here x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c x square plus ab plus bc plus ca x plus abc. Now you have to consider in the place of a we have 6, in the place of b we have 4, in the place of c we have minus 2. Just I am going to substitute here x cube because the first term it is same, plus a value it is 6 plus b value it is 4, c value it is minus 2 x square plus AB value it is 6 into 4 plus B value it is 4 into minus 2 plus C value it is minus 2 into A value it is 6 into X plus ABC. So 6 into 4 into minus 2. Just we need to simplify this. So you will get x cube plus 6 plus 4 it is 10. 10 minus 2 it is 8. 8x square plus 6 4s are 24 minus 4 2s are 8 minus 6 2s are 12 into x. Here plus into plus it will be plus, plus into minus minus, minus into this plus it will be minus. So we will get here 6 4s are 24, 24 into 2 48. Finally we got here x cube plus 8x square, 12 plus 8 it is 20. From 24 if we subtract 20 we will get 4. So 4x minus 48. So this is the final answer. Okay, the second one they have given here. We need to simplify by using the identity. What is that identity? They have given a plus or minus b into a square minus plus ab plus b square is equal to a cube plus or minus b cube. Now you have to remember in this, when you are taking the plus, the first term you have to take, and here also it will be plus. When you are taking minus, the second sign we need to take. So common they have given in plus or minus. Okay, now here the third sub question, a by 3 minus 3b into a square divided by 9 plus ab plus 9b square. Okay, in this first you have to fix what is a and what is b. So a it is nothing but a by 3, b value it is 3b. Now if you look at this, when it is square, a square 3 square, the value we will get here it is 9. So it is in the form of this. So here we have minus. So the second sign we have to look into the second sign. So the second sign here we have a minus. So what we need to take, just we have to take a value it is a by 3 whole cube minus b value it is 3b whole cube. Therefore the final answer it is a cube divided by 27 minus 27b cube. So this is the answer of third main. Okay, the fourth one they have given here. We need to simplify. X square minus y square whole cube plus y square minus z square whole cube plus z cube minus z square minus x square whole cube divided by x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube. We need to simplify this. Okay, we know that identity, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0 means, then we can have this a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 into a into b into c. Since we know very well here, when you take this is a, b, this is a and b, and this it is going to be c. When I take a, b, c, you forget about this powers cube. Just I am going to take the base terms. So here see, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, this term. Just I am going to consider the a value. So a value it is x square minus y square plus b value it is y square minus z square plus c value it is z square minus x square. Look into these terms, plus x square and minus x square it will get cancelled, plus y square minus y square and minus z square plus z square. So finally we got here it is 0. So when you take a, b, c, it is going to be equal to 0 means easily you will get here x square minus y square whole cube plus y square minus z square whole cube plus z square minus x square whole cube is equal to, the formula we have here it is 3 into a into b into c. So I can write 3 into a value it is x square minus y square, b value it is y square minus z square, and c value it is z square minus x square. Once again, just I am going to repeat this. Here we know very well the identity a plus b plus c is equal to 0 means, then this condition we have here a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So here we have all the terms in the numerator, the power it is cube. Just I am going to equate the base terms. So a we have x square minus y square, b we have here y square minus z square, and c we have here z square minus x square. So when you add only a b c, definitely we'll get here it is 0 when you apply this condition. So this is the final answer. Now we have to check the denominators. So denominators again it is in the form of cube. So when you have cube here, just we need to take the base as a b c. When you take x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x, so finally we got here it is plus x and minus x, it is going to be get cancelled, minus y plus y and minus z plus z. So here also we will get it is 0. So you can apply this formula, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 into abc. So we will get the answer here, x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube is equal to, just I am going to take the 3 into a into b into c. So 3 into a value it is x minus y, b value it is y minus z into z minus x. Just I am going to substitute the values. Numerator I am going to substitute this value, and the denominator just I am going to write this value. Okay, we need to simplify this value, right? X square minus y square whole cube plus y square minus z square whole cube plus z square minus x square whole cube divided by x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube is equal to, in the right hand side we have here 3 into x square minus y square into y square minus z square into z square minus x square divided by 3 into x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. Here in the numerator and denominator 3 it is going to be get cancelled. So we have here x square minus y square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this formula you can apply here. So we'll get x plus y into x minus y. Here also we'll get for y square minus z square as a y plus z into y minus z. Z square minus x square, it is nothing but z plus x into z minus x whole divided by x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. Now if you see that numerator and the denominator, x minus y it will get cancelled, y minus z it will get cancelled, z minus x it will get cancelled. So the left over here x plus y into y plus z into z plus x. So this is the answer.